Welcome back to Dancing in the Kitchen. Today we're going to make a tzatziki sauce with a twist. A twist turn, that is. So keep on watching. These are the ingredients you're going to need for today's dish. You're going to need some Greek yogurt, full fat. This is 11%. Not that watery 0% stuff. That's not yogurt. I don't know what that is. Olive oil, some white wine vinegar, salt, pepper, cucumber, lemon, dill, lots of garlic, and that's it for ingredients. Now you're gonna need a bowl, a knife, a peeler, shredder, some cheesecloth if you have. If not, it's okay. So let's begin. So first thing, we need to work on this bad boy. So we're gonna peel them. Now tzatziki sauce is delicious, goes well with lots of dishes, especially lamb. All right, we peeled the cucumber. Now, take a shredder, and we're just gonna shred this up. We're gonna take a cheesecloth. If you don't have a cheesecloth, get one. But if you can't find one, you can just do this by hand. You can just, basically, cucumber is like 95-98% water. So you want to get this water out. Basically, we just want to leave this meaty substance in. I'm going to wrap that up. And squeeze all the water out. Now we're going to take our Greek yogurt bowl. I have about, 2 cups of Greek yogurt, and then 1 full English cucumber, and I'm gonna add that to the yogurt. Mix that up. Good. A little bit of salt, some pepper, some olive oil, some white wine vinegar, some lemon juice, all right, now some garlic, want to know how to peel garlic quickly? Click the video above. All right, we got the garlic. Mix that up. And now, all we need is the dill. Chop that up. Add that to the bowl. Just gonna mix it up. Now after we finish mixing it, you can eat it right away. But if you really want this to like marinate and develop more flavor, leave it overnight for at least a day, if not 2, and it's gonna be delicious. And you can probably leave this in your fridge for about a week. Okay, now it's time to learn the twist turn. All right, today I'm going to teach you the twist turn. Now, there are various twist turns, but the main one we're going to do today is in Tango. So, for the men, you're going to go left foot forward, right foot forward, left foot to the side. You're going to cross your right foot behind without weight, but with pressure. And then you're going to twist on both feet and end up in a prominent position. So one more time, we have slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. I'll do the same thing going this way. Slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick. For the ladies, your steps are actually quite easy. So you're gonna go right foot to the side and promenade. Then you're gonna go forward, forward, side, and then into promenade position. It's all you're really doing, just walking around your partner when the man's twisting on his feet. So forward, 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 side, and then promenade. A couple things to keep in mind, ladies. Your first step in promenade, you step into the side. Next step forward, you're in CBNP, so your foot crosses in front of the right foot. Then you're gonna go right foot forward between the man's legs. Then you're gonna go left foot forward, left side leading. Then you're gonna go right foot forward, outside partner. And then you have left foot to the side. So you're walking around, but there's some positions in your body that are very important to maintain contact with your partner. So make sure you practice these steps and make sure you subscribe, like, comment down below, and I'll see you next time on Dancing in the Kitchen.